Y'all see it, boy. Y'all see the scat. I'm about to do a quick little POV at night drive. You know, I think I did one in my last car, but go ahead and do one in this one. Probably catch some little action, you know, on the way to this little spot I'm about to go to. Man, I need to find my key. Go ahead and give y'all a quick little code start real quick, man, so y'all see what it sound like. Super stock scat, quiet, real quiet. Got a little roar to it, but you know, I'm about to turn it out. About to go get that straight pipe next week. Probably like next week, cause you know, I need that shit to be dumb loud. So you got the red joints in here. I need to go ahead and put my damn my lights in here. And I left my my shadow lights on my last car. I forgot all about that, so now I gotta buy some more of those. But go ahead and switch to this headband real quick.
It's okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you, man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout.
Exactly. Oh, he just got that bitch. Must be. y'all enjoyed that little video. That was something slight, you see what I'm saying? I'm trying to put out way more car content, so if I'm doing car related stuff, I'm just gonna take my camera with me. I didn't record a lot just because I was just busy talking and just all the extra shit. So you seen I did a couple of burnouts, nothing too crazy. I really don't do all that sliding and shit like that, but I decided, you know, why not? Brand new Scat, you know, why not go ahead and tear it down a little bit. You see, you got the rubber right here. See the shit right here. I need to wipe all this shit off, but tire's still fresh, still hella meaty, boy. But I'm about to get some new rims, so what I'm gonna do is use the when I get the new rims, I'm still gonna use the 245s for the front, and then I'm gonna buy 285s or 275s for the back. You know, I'm not going full drag setup or nothing like that, nothing too crazy. I am gonna get, you know, some better tires than these 245s, at least for the rear, but I don't want to let these tires go to waste, so I'm gonna use these at least for the front and just buy new ones for the back. Car's still clean. Let me go ahead and start it up for y'all real quick. Still no tags, you see what I'm saying? Fresh out the lot, boy. Car's still under a week new. I think I got like 100 miles on here now, so go ahead and start it up real quick. That shit's so quiet, boy. Got no volume on it at all. Oh yeah, well shit, 127. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm about to try to bring way more content this go around. I'm doing the installs. You know, I'm still doing installs this week and next week. Well, I mean, it's Saturday now. So, I mean, it's Friday. Tomorrow's Saturday. So next week I'm doing more installs. So if you're not already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because I'm just about to be throwing shit up, man. Y'all, people always hit me up on DM like, yo, when you dropping the next video, or, you know, asking all these questions. So about me just doing these little vlogs and shit and just taking y'all with me. Like, I may go to the shop. I'm just gonna take my camera, record all that shop shit, driving there, talking to the people at the shop, show y'all what I'm getting done at the shop. Or like, you know, I get some new shit in the mail for the car, just do an unboxing or something like that. Cause I need, just coming, bro. I'm just coming. I need to get the 5K subs ASAP. Real life, I should have been at 5K, dog. Real life, the shit that I be putting out, I be getting dumb, like I be getting hella views, and I be doing shit that don't nobody else do, bro. Ain't nobody else on fucking YouTube got a E85 kit install video. Like I brought y'all that shit, bro. I was the first person to put like an aftermarket radio in one of these challenges, dog, on my V6. Like I ain't brought some bangers, dog. I be bringing heat. You know, I'm just saying, you watch my video, before you even get all into it, just go ahead, like my shit. You know, if you're not subbed already, go ahead and sub, because you're gonna watch my next video. People, I mean, all these people I get on my Instagram asking me questions about, like, you know, shit that I already covered in the video. I'm fine, I still like respond to it, but you know, I'm just saying, you know, support your boy, man. Just go ahead and drop that like, make that mandatory, and then, you know, hit the subscribe button, dog. Let's get the 5K easy, man. Go ahead and end this video, man. I was just telling y'all about, you know, little plans I got for the channel and shit like that. I got videos coming weekly now, like shit, because I got a lot of stuff I'm trying to do to the car. So everything I'm doing, I'm gonna record. That's pretty much it, man. I'm out.
Was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah. Reached every goal I said. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah. And now I'm out here getting